Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, I've got really exciting news. Alhamdulillah, I will be flying out to Uganda to hand out iftar parcels. And we all know how important it is to support our brothers and sisters that are in need. And what better time than the most blessed month of the year, the month of Ramadan. We are giving iftar out. And this iftar, we know, even if you give it to a regular person, Allah rewards you every single time they break their fast. And now you can do it with a lot of people. For just £30, £30, you will be able to provide iftar for your whole family for all of Ramadan. So inshallah ta'ala, I expect many of you to help us with this endeavor and help us fundraise and donate as well. So how can you help with this project? There are three ways. Number one, you donate. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rewards you for what you give. You can donate £30 and help one family for all of Ramadan, or you can donate £300 and help 10 families. Whatever you can pay, ikhwani fillah, please donate and use the link below. Another way you can help, this is the second way, is by fundraising. Now fundraising is when you not only are donating, but you're getting others to donate as well. And remember, when you get others, friends and families involved, you get the reward as well. So inshallah ta'ala, I want you to join my team and help fundraise for this project. Get other people involved so that we can all share in the ajr. And among those that are fundraising, there will be two very special people that inshallah ta'ala will reach a target of £5,000. Where their effort and everyone else that they get involved in with the fundraising, when you reach £5,000, you will be coming with us inshallah ta'ala. We will fly you out and you will be part of our team that is on the ground giving out those iftar parcels. Please again, join our team, help the effort, whether it's donating or fundraising. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.